Hey there, I'm Jan, one of the founders of Jovo, and today I'm happy to show you the newest integration for the Jovo framework, which is Botanalytics. Botanalytics is an analytics service for conversational apps. So for both text-based chatbots, like, let me scroll down to show you, Facebook Messenger, Slack, Kik, Twitter, Telegram, and so on, but also for voice. So they recently added voice analytics for both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So to learn more, you can click on voice analytics here. And today I want to show you how to integrate Botanalytics into the Jovo framework, into your Jovo voice apps. And this is super easy. It will just take a few steps, and I'm really happy to show you how it works. And so if you want to learn more how it works, so you can click on tour to add to enter a demo analytics dashboard, and you can see all the stuff Botanalytics provides for you. So they have a dashboard with some usage metrics, for example, but they also have conversational filters. They have insights grouped by users, for example. There's probably a bunch of stuff that works very well with text-based chatbots, but not with voice. But then there's a lot of things that are super interesting to see, like retention, for example, and some other stuff. And so to get started, we created a page in our docs for the Botanalytics integration, and it's just a few steps, and I will walk you through that. So what I've done so far is I created a very simple Jovo Hello World app with the Jovo new command, just our Hello World template that asks the user for their name. Make sure that if you're just upgrading, that you're using the latest version of the Jovo framework, and you can do that by using npm install save Jovo framework. And the save option will save the latest version number to the package.json so that you can make sure that you're using the latest version. So if you go to package.json, you see Jovo framework version 1.4.5. What you need to get started with Botanalytics in the Jovo framework. Okay, so let me try that out. So I have already created the Alexa skill. It's enabled for testing. And I can show you what it does right now. So I can just do Jovo run to start the server. I will use the webhook URL and paste it into my browser to open the Jovo debugger, and I will start right away. Open my test app.
Hello world. What's your name?
My name is John.
Hey Chan, nice to meet you.
Okay, so as you can see, very simple interaction, and we want to make sure that this is now logged correctly into Botanalytics. So let's do this. Go back to Botanalytics, and I will log in. I will use Google for that. And once I'm logged in, I'm prompted to create a new bot, and I will just call that Jovo test. I will select a platform. So you can go to Amazon Alexa here, add a category. We'll just use communication here, and that's it. And we'll save that. And that's it. If you scroll down, you can see the token. So this is my token now. So to integrate Botanalytics with Jovo, go to enable Botanalytics in Jovo, and then there's two options. You can either use the Jovo app config, which you can see here, or you can use the add methods, like add Botanalytics Alexa, for example. And so we're going to use the config, and so let's just copy that here and go to our code. And so here in the config where logging is enabled by default, we can paste that, we can remove the Google Action part because we only have an Alexa skill for now, and then paste our token in here. So let's go back to Botanalytics real quick and copy the token. And okay, so now it should work. There's one more thing you need to do. And so it is to download the Botanalytics package. So let's just do that now. So we need the Botanalytics package for the integration to work, and we'll again use the save option to make sure we know which package version we use later. And so, okay, so this should work. So now if I do Jovo run, it works. And so I can now go back into the debugger and just do it again. Just remove that here. Open my test app.
Hello world. What's your name?
My name is Simon.
Hey Simon. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so I just sent 2 requests and it should work. And so if I now go back to the settings here in Botanalytics and click on check connection, it should see if the connection is done. And it worked. So you can see live conversation count is 1. We had 4 total messages. Click to through the different things here, like total messages, for example. I can already see my user. And so not all of the information is available yet. It's updated periodically. And so I can see that here I have 1 user and no conversation is logged yet. But that's already enough to see how the data is stored. So for example, I can use that again. I can use the debugger to quickly send a ton of messages. And then if I now go back to the dashboard and refresh, the total messages count is at 20. Okay, cool. And so that's it. That's how easy it is to set up bot analytics with the Jovo framework. And of course, the same thing works with your Google Actions that you're building with Jovo. And yeah, so let us know how you use it. We strongly recommend to use analytics tools with your voice apps to learn more how users interact with them after they've gone live. So let us know what you think. Looking forward to it. Thank you. Bye.